Wireless earphone has become essential ever since smartphone makers removed the earphones bundles from the box or that X out the 3.5mm audio jacks. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong, welcome to Fastway Episode 8. Today we'll be checking out the new Edifiers X5. The Edifier X5 is the successor of the Edifier X3, which is one of the most sellable true wireless earphones by Edifiers, where they have sold over 20,000 pieces on their official store alone. Let's get into unboxings and design. The color that I have here is the black with some gold accents. Inside the box are two earbuds, the charging case, USB-C cables, additions, two different sizes of ear tips, and some documents. The main differences between the X3s and X5 are the X5 now having in STEM designs with Qualcomm CVC 8.0 for clearer voice call and clamshell case with USB-C charging port. There's a charging LED indicators below it. I love the Edifier logo placement with the concentrate circles that look premium, additionally matte finishings without attracting fingerprint smudge. The earbud can be fit securely for sport activities if it matches the right ear tips. It features the same 10mm Qualcomm 3020 dynamic driver with aptX codecs and Bluetooth 5.0. The smart touch on the earbud allows play pause music and answer call or end call with a single tap. Double tap is to skip to next track. Triple tap is to previous track. Press and hold for 2 seconds to summon the voice assistant or reject call. There's no volume control, but it can be done via voice assistant. Coming to sound quality, the soundstage and dynamic range is pretty alright, and the bass isn't that punchy that's what I expected. Overall, the sound quality is pretty balanced with everything. If you're planning to use it for gaming, I would suggest you to look elsewhere or consider the Edifier HeadKit series that offer much lower latency when coming to gaming. Voice call is great thanks to the STEM designs and the Qualcomm CVC 8.0's dual mic noise cancelling. Edifier claimed the X5 can offer up to 6 hours of continuous use, and judging by my test, I managed to get around 5 hours plus before the low battery warning alert. The case can offer another 2 rounds of charging, which total up to about 21 hours. Here come the things that I like and dislike about the Edifier X5. It has a small and compact design, perfect color combo, black and gold, and I'm a big fan of matte finishings. Coming to earbuds, it has a great ear fittings, and the only thing that I dislike is that there's no battery indicators on the case itself, where I'm not too sure when I should charge the charging case. Would I recommend the Edifier X5? Yes, I would highly recommend if you are looking for a budget true wireless earphone that offer great build and also good sound qualities for sub 130 ringgit. During promo, you can get this for maybe 100 ringgit each. For more information on where to buy, you can check them out in the description box below. If you like this kind of short and sweet tech reviews, to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to these channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. That being said, I hope to see you guys in the next one.